Are you guys ready to attack your abs and thighs? So for this move, we're going to lay down just like we did for those reverse crunches. Make sure all the weight is in your shoulders. You're going to make a little triangle with your hands and put it under your tailbone. That'll help make sure that you are nice and stuck to the floor. Take those legs up. You're going to open, cross, open, cross. Each time your legs cross, that counts as one. So let's get ready to go. So if you want to make these, really attack those lower abs, keep the legs up really high, because the lower you bring your legs, the more thigh work you get. So it is up to you where you want to put the emphasis. You will still be getting lots of leg work with your legs straight up in the air like this. Make sure you point your toes. That's really important. That'll activate all of the muscles in your legs. Whew. And you should definitely already be feeling this. You can go wider if you would like, but I like to make sure that it's nice and targeted, so I am engaging the entire time, and it is a nice controlled movement instead of just a sporadic one. I also like to go nice and controlled here to once again really target everything, because you can make these fast and then you won't get as much work as you could if you did them slow. Really try to look at your toes here. Maybe put something nice to look up at the ceiling so that when you're looking up, you can see something pretty, because the ceiling isn't very pretty. Or maybe paint your toenails, or contemplate what color you're gonna paint your toenails. Whew. I don't remember the last time I painted my toenails. I definitely need to get back into doing that. If you need to, take a break, bring those legs in. You can rock those hands out, give yourself a little massage by rocking back and forth, and then bring those legs back up, and open and cross. Really try to keep your chin nice and loose here. You don't want it to be tucking into your chin, into your chest like that. Really cuts off your breathing, and you're already on your back, which makes breathing hard, so you want to make sure that you have a nice even breath here. Keep going. You're definitely getting those inner and outer thighs. You should be feeling those lower abs, which are definitely really hard to get. A lot of ab moves really only work your obliques or your top of your abs. So the lower abs usually never get a ton of work, but those are the ones that need it the most. Whew. Keep going. Bring those knees in. Come back up. Almost there. Last one. Whew. That felt really good. So, like I said, thank you guys so much for joining me. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I would mean the world to me. And I can't wait to see you on my mat tomorrow. Bye.